Welcome to the executive suite. With 160 square meters of room space, the interior space is divided with proper proportions. A living area with sofa and television. Another corner features a dining area. It has one washroom next to the kitchen. It features a total of 2 bedrooms. It has a king-size bed that's soft and comfortable for sleeping, with an extra bed. Moreover, this bedroom includes a Wi-Fi connected TV, and you can watch Netflix. It also features a balcony where you can step out and admire the outdoor view. Inside the closet includes a safe for valuables, and ironing equipment is also provided. The bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. Inside the bathroom, there's a shower and a bathtub where you can soak to relax. Full bath amenities including shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner from THEA are hotel's own brand. Additionally, every bedroom is provided with pajamas prepared by the hotel for guests to wear comfortably during their stay at the hotel. The second bedroom is just as spacious and equipped with a king bed. Although it doesn't have a balcony, it has windows that provide constant natural light, ensuring the room stays well lit. Our bathrooms are impeccably clean, well designed, and come with a full range of bathing essentials. As for the kitchen, it's a fully functional kitchen where you can actually cook. It includes a stove, pots, pans, a toaster, microwave, and a coffee machine with Starbucks capsules provided. The cooking equipment is truly comprehensive. It includes a gas stove, pots, pans, refrigerator, toaster, coffee machine, washing machine, and more. And all of this is the executive suite at THEA Private Suites.